Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see the objective type questions. These are from the new book of grade 7 ICSE. So we'll see the multiple choice questions. This is the question given and these are the options. So we can write this one as, because this is a negative exponent in the denominator, to make it to positive, we can flip over. So that will be 4:2. So that will be 4:2 means 4 into 4, which is going to be 16. So this is the correct option. Now for this one, this will be written as -2 into -2 into -2, because this is 3. So that will be -2 into -2. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, but that is going to be minus because that is an odd number. So that will be -8, and this will be 5 square means 25. So 25 eighths are, that is going to be 200, but that will going to be minus here. So minus 200. This can be written as, because this is a negative exponent, we'll make it to positive. So this will get flip over. So that will be -3/2 raised to 2. So this will be 3 square is going to be 9 now, because here this is a even number. So that is going to be positive. So that will be 9. And you are going to multiply this as well. 2 square will be 4. So that will be 9/4. Now 2^10 into 4^10 into 8^10 is 2^x. So whenever we have such type of problems, now here you can see the exponents are the same. So we are going to multiply the bases. So that will be 2 4s are 8 and 8 8s are, that is going to be 64. So we'll write here 64^10 is 2^x. So this can be written as, for to 64, we can take the prime factors of 64. So that is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 2. So 2^6 raised to 10. That is going to be 2^x. So this is going to be 2^60 will be 2^x. So now the bases are the same. So x is going to be 60. So we want the value of x, which is 60. Hope you got this one. This is the rough work to be done. So this is the correct option. So now here you can see the base is 99, but this is plus. So what we can do here, this is 20 and this is 19. So we can take common here, 99 raised to 19. So now 99, but here we want 20. So 99 raised to 19 plus here 99 raised to 1. Means, sorry, this is multiplied by 99 raised to 1. So that will be, that is a raised to m into a raised to n. That will be a raised to m plus n. So here what we can do here, that will be 99 raised to 19 plus 1. That will be 99 raised to 20. So here will be just 99, because usually whenever the exponent is 1, we don't write 1. That is understood that is going to be 1. So now this is done for 19 raised to 20. Plus sign, this plus sign as it is. So now we want 99 raised to 19. So already we have here the common is 99 raised to 19. So we have to write plus 1. Hope this is clear. So that will be 99 raised to 19. And the denominator is the same. So now this is actually multiplication. So what will you do? This and this we can cancel out. So 99 plus 1, which is going to be 100. So 100 is the option. Now for this one, what we can do, this is an odd number. So -3 raised to 3 means -3 into -3 into -3. 3 is a 9, 9 is a 27. Now this is an odd number, so that is going to be minus. So this part is done. That will be -27. Now we will go for A. A raised to 3 raised to 3. That is going to be, you are going to multiply this exponent. So that will be A raised to 9. Now we'll go for B. 2 into 3, that is going to be b raised to 6. So this is the correct option. Now for this one, what we can do, we can write here 1/3 for this one, because this is negative, minus for this one 1/4. Now we will take the LCM of it. So that is going to be 4 minus 3/12. So which will be 1/4. 12. So the rough work is done here. So the option is 1 by 12. If 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 3 is equal to 6 by x, 6 raised to x, 1 raised to 3 plus 2 raised to 3 plus 3 raised to 3 is equal to 6 raised to x, then we want the value of x. So 1 raised to 3 means 1 into 1 into 1, that is going to be 1. 2 raised to 3 means 2 into 2 into 2, that is going to be 8. And this is going to be 3 times 3, that is going to be 27, is 6s to x. So when you add this one, that will be 36 is 6s to x. Now we have this is 6 and this is 36. So we can write for this one as 6 square is, this will be same. So now the base is the same. So the bases is the same. So that will be x is going to be 2. For this one, we can write this one as, now see, because this is 2, this is 4 and this is 8. So we can write here 2 cube, means 2 cube will be 8. So this will be as it is. For this one, we can write 2 square and 3 as it is. And here the same. So this will be 2 raised to 6. This again will be 2 raised to 6. And this will be 2 raised to 2x. So now we are going to add the exponents. That will be 6 plus 6. That is going to be 2 raised to 12. Same. So now the bases are same. So this will be 12 is equal to 2x. So that will be 12 divided by 2, because this is multiplication. So that is going to be x will be 6. So this is the correct option. Now for this one, we can write here the exponent is negative. So we can make it to positive by flipping over. That will be 5 raised to 2 minus here 4 raised to 2. So this will be 25 minus 16, and which is going to be 9. Now here, see here, this is plus sign. So now what you can see here, this is 10, 11 and 12. The base is the same. So we'll take the lowest, which is now 10. So we'll take here 10, 5 raised to 10. So now this is just 5 raised to 10. So what will you do? When you multiply this one, 5 raised to 10 into 1, you get the same. Here is 11. So this base is going to be the same. 10 plus 1, because I showed you earlier, a raised to m into a raised to n, that will be a raised to m plus n. So you can write here 1 for your convenience, or you can just write 5. Both is the same. So this is going to be 11. Now this is 12. So 5 raised to 10 into 5 raised to 2 divided by this 5 raised to 10. So now what you can do, this and this will get cancelled. This will be 1 plus 5 plus 25, which is going to be 31. Now when numbers having same base are multiplied, then the powers are. Same base means, now if you are writing here, this base can be anything. They are multiplied. The base is same. Then the powers. This is also called as the powers. What we do, we write that we are n plus n. That is, we add the powers. Suppose it is 3 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 3. So what do we write here? 3 raised to 2 plus 3. That is, means we add the powers. So we can say are added. Now here minus 1 raised to 25. So now 25 is an odd number. So always we are going to, whenever there is an odd number, we are always going to get minus. And this is 1, so it is going to be minus 1. If it was minus 2 raised to 25, or it is 27, 27 is also an odd number. So that is minus 2, you are going to multiply that minus and 27. But that usually they don't ask that, because it's not easy without a calci to multiply that one. So usually they ask in 1. So minus 1 raised to 25. So that is going to be, because now this is you have to keep in mind that this is an odd number. So that is always going to be a negative sign. So minus 1. Now here, what we can do here, for minus 3, and this is raised to 6. So now this is a even number. So the answer is going to be positive 1. So 3 you are going to multiply 6 times. So after multiplying this 3 6 times, you get 7 to 9. That is a positive 1. Any non-zero number raised to the power 0 is. So non-zero number, suppose we are writing here 2 raised to 0. So always this to the power 0, raised to the power 0 means this is, here is 0. So it is always going to be 1. So even if you write 100 raised to 0, that also is going to be 1. So now here, which is the largest? Now when you multiply this and see, so you can try for this one. So this is the largest number. 2, if you are multiplying 5 times, So that will be the largest number. Write with a single index. -4:7 into -4:5. The base is the same, so you are going to add the exponent, so that will be -4:12. -6:9 and -6:4, you are going to, because this is a division sign, you are going to subtract the exponents, so that will be 9 minus 4, that will be 5. This is going to be -2 will be as it is, and this you are going to multiply, that is going to be 15. Now for this part, what you are going to do, this is the bracket you are going to solve first. So this is a division sign, the base is the same. So that will be 9:1, and this will be 9:2. Now the base is the same. So the exponents you are going to add it, because this is multiplication. 1 plus 2, that is going to be 9:3. The value of this into this one. So now here will be anything raised to 0 is 1. 1 minus again 3 raised to 0 is 1, and into 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 into 1, which is always going to be any number you multiply by 0, you get 0. Now here -7 raised to m is -343, then m is 1. So now what will you do? Here you should get the base 7. So now see here, you take the factors of 343. So that will be 7 4s are 28, and 7 9s are 63. 7 7s are 49, and 7 1s are, so 7 cubed. So -7 raised to m is -7 raised to 3. So now you can see the bases are the same, so m is going to be 3. Now look at this problem here. So here what we can see, the left hand side, the base is the same and it is division, and this is 7 cubed. So what we are going to do, a raised to m divided by a raised to n, that will be a raised to m minus n. So that will be, the base is the same, 7 raised to, you are going to subtract this one. 5x minus 4 minus 3 is equal to 7 raised to 3. So when you, after subtracting, you get 7 raised to 5x minus 7 is equal to 7 raised to 3. So now the base is the same. So what will you do? 5x minus 7 is equal to 3. This is that step. So 5x will be 3, and this minus 7 will go to the other side, that will be plus 7. So 5x is going to be 10. So x is going to be, 5x is 10. So x is going to be, because this is a multiplication, so 10 divided by 5, which is going to be 2. Express 125 raised to 6 with base 5. So 125 factors will be 5 into 5 into 5. So what we can do, we can write here 5 cube for 125, and this is raised to 6. So now what rule are you going to use here? A raised to m into n, that is going to be a raised to mn. So that will be 5 raised to 18. So this is the answer. If 5 raised to x is 3 square plus 4 square, then x is what? So now what will you do here? This will be 9, 5, see here, 5 raised to x is 9 plus 4 square is 16. So 5 raised to x is 25 when you add this one. So 25 we can write in terms of 5, like 5 square. So base is same, so x is going to be 2. Now, as I told you earlier, this is odd number. So -4 into -4 into -4. So that is going to be -64. So now if you are making this to positive, so that is going to be -5. Or you can write here 1 by -5 raised to 2. So that is going to be 1 by, and this is an even number, so that is going to be positive. 5 square will be 25. For this part, we can write this one as, because this is a multiplication, -3 raised to 4 plus 12. We are going to add it. That will be -3 raised to 8x. So same thing I have written here. Can you see the steps? So that will be, you can write here -3 raised to 16 after adding this is equal to this part, the same, is equal to -3 raised to 8x. So now the base is the same. So 16 is equal to 8x. So now this is multiplication. So 16 divided by 8 is equal to x. So that is going to be, x will be 2. Now here the base is the same. So we can write here, because this is a division sign, -1 by 8 raised to 9 minus 7, that is going to be 2. So now you know this is an even number. So that is going to be 1 by 8 raised to 2, which is going to be 64. Now for this one, we can write 4 plus 16 into 1 by 25. So this will be 20 into 1 by 25, which will be 20 by 25. So 5 fours are and 5 fives are, which is going to be 4 by 5. Now this part we can write here as, we are going to add 178 plus 22, which is going to be 200, 3 raised to 200, divided by, again for this one we can write this one 3 raised to 200. So what will be that? A raised to m divided by a raised to n, which is going to be 3 raised to 200 minus 200, that will be 3 raised to 0, which is going to be 1. State whether true or false. Now here, see here, 4 into 4 into 4, that is going to be 64. And when you multiply this one, 3 times 4, which is going to be 81. So, which is not true. 64 is not equal to, so we can write here false. Same thing you can see for this one. This is multiplication, means 3 raised to 4 plus 2 is equal to, for this one we can write this one as 9, 3 raised to 2. And this is 16. So 3 raised to 6 is equal to 3 raised to 12, which is also not true. So that is false. Now this, for this part we can write here 7 raised to 5 minus 5 is equal to 7 raised to 0, because here 7 raised to 0 is equal to 7 raised to 0. For this one, because this is a division, 9 raised to 8 minus 4 is equal to 9 raised to 12. So 9 raised to 4 is 9 raised to 12, which is false. Same here, 2 raised to 15 is equal to 2 raised to 8, which is false. For here, 15 raised to 8 is equal to 15 raised to 8, which is true. Now this part you can see here, you can see the exponents are same. That means the base of e should be multiplied. So 2 3s are 6. So that is going to be 6 raised to 3 is equal to 6 raised to 3. So this is true. Now for this part, we can write here 1 by 4 raised to 2 is equal to minus 16. So 1 by 16 is minus 16, which is false. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.